Are you ready to master intraday trading but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step roadmap that will take you from a complete beginner to a confident intraday trader. Let's dive in. 1. What is intraday trading? Intraday trading means buying and selling stocks on the same day. It's all about short-term price movements and making profits within market hours. Key points, also called day trading, no overnight positions, relies on market volatility and timing too. Mindset and risk understanding. Before learning strategies, you need the right mindset. Intraday trading is risky, most traders lose money. Start with discipline and realistic expectations. Key points, accept losses as part of the journey, risk only 1 to 2% per trade, avoid greed and overtrading. 3. Learn the basics. Begin by learning how the stock market works and the types of orders you can place. Learn about stock exchanges, NSE, BSE, order types, market, limit, stop loss, candlestick patterns and chart basics. 4. Tools you need. Equip yourself with the right tools before placing your first trade. Essentials, a good trading platform, charting tools like TradingView, news and economic calendars. 5. Learn technical analysis. Technical analysis is crucial for intraday success. It helps you read charts, patterns, and indicators. Start with support and resistance, moving averages, RSI, MACD, VWAP, volume analysis. 6. Develop a simple strategy. You don't need multiple strategies. Focus on mastering one that suits your style. Examples, breakout strategy, VWAP pullback, RSI reversal. 7. Practice with paper trading before risking real money. Practice in a virtual environment. Why it's important? No risk builds confidence. Test your strategy in real conditions. 8. Risk management. Your strategy means nothing without risk management. Golden rules. Always use stop loss, maintain a risk reward of at least 1:2, avoid over-leveraging. 9. Build a trading routine. Discipline leads to success. Create a routine and stick to it. Daily checklist, pre-market research, entry, exit planning, journal your trades. 10. Track, analyze and improve, review your trades weekly. Identify patterns in your mistakes and wins. Keep evolving. That's your roadmap to intraday trading. Stick to the steps, practice with patience, and stay consistent. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe for more trading tips. In the next video, we will dive into technical analysis, the foundation of successful intraday trading. Stay tuned.